Is the real secret to clearer hearing and sharper focus hiding in a simple daily dropper of natural extracts? Audifort has been creating buzz in 2025 not just because it's easy to use, but because it targets hearing support in a way most supplements don't. If you're even thinking about trying Audifort, the official link is in the description below. That's the only place to get the verified formula with the 90-day money-back guarantee. So what exactly is Audifort? It's a liquid hearing support formula designed to nourish the brain and auditory pathways using a blend of minerals, adaptogens, amino acids, and plant extracts. Instead of masking symptoms, it aims to support healthy hearing, better focus, and overall cognitive well-being. Think of it like giving your ears and brain the daily nutrition they need, but in an easy-to-take dropper form. Users can place it under the tongue or mix it with water or juice, and it absorbs quickly. The power lies in its unique blend of ingredients. Mako root, known for boosting energy and circulation, which supports the pathways linked to hearing. Rapeseed extract, packed with antioxidants that help protect delicate ear and brain tissues. Green tea extract supports mental clarity and provides natural protection against oxidative stress. GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and focus. And here's what's not in Audifort: no stimulants, no synthetic chemicals, and no habit-forming ingredients. That means no jitters, no crashes, and nothing that interferes with your sleep. Real users are already reporting noticeable improvements from reduced ringing in the ears, to sharper concentration, to simply feeling more present in conversations. With consistent use, many say they've noticed progress in just a few weeks. There are thousands of verified Audifort reviews online. People love that it's natural, gentle, and safe, yet still effective at supporting hearing and focus without side effects. It's made in the US in an FDA-registered GMP-certified facility. Each batch is tested for purity, potency, and safety, so there are no shortcuts and no mystery blends. And remember, every order through the official site is backed by a 90-day refund policy. That's why so many people are giving it a risk-free try. If you're ready to support your hearing and brain health naturally, click the official link in the description below. Just make sure you're getting it from the verified site, or you risk fake bottles and no refund protection. I hope this review helped you understand what Audifort is all about. Take action today, your ears and your focus will thank you.